Looking for a fast, lightweight, and affordable Adobe Acrobat alternative? In this video, we run a complete deep dive into SwifDoo PDF 2026 edition. From standard text editing and format conversions to its advanced OCR and new AI-powered tools, we look at what works flawlessly and where it falls short.
InfoTech. Stay safe, stay secure.
Now, during my testing, there were several features in SwifDoo PDF that genuinely impressed me. One of my favorite features is the Incognito Mode, which is especially useful if you're working with sensitive documents, confidential office files, or personal PDFs, and want an additional privacy-focused working environment. Apart from that, the PDF editing tools are surprisingly smooth and lightweight. You can easily edit text, add images, highlight content, annotate documents, insert signatures, and manage pages without the software feeling heavy or laggy. Another major advantage is its built-in file conversion capabilities. You can convert PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to images, and even convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image files back into PDF format. This becomes extremely useful for office work, documentation, reporting, and content sharing. And it doesn't stop there. You also get tools to split PDF files, merge multiple PDFs, compress PDF size, organize pages, encrypt or password protect sensitive files, add watermarks, and much more. So instead of installing multiple separate utilities, SwifDoo PDF combines many essential PDF management tools into a single lightweight application. Now let's start exploring the most useful and practical features one by one and see how well they actually perform in real-world usage. Let's start with one of the most useful privacy and security-focused features I found during testing, and that is Incognito Mode in SwifDoo PDF. Once you enable Incognito Mode, the application stops saving your file history, so nobody can easily track which PDF documents you were recently working on from inside the application. This feature becomes extremely useful if you work on confidential office documents, use a shared computer or workstation, handle personal records or reports, manage sensitive business files, or work in cybersecurity and IT-related environments. But what I really liked is that SwifDoo PDF doesn't stop at just hiding file history. It also gives you additional privacy-focused controls that you can manually enable for even stronger protection. For example, you can enable options like 1. Do not save file conversion history and file translation history. So if you convert PDFs into Word, Excel, images, or use the translation feature, those activity logs will not be stored inside the application. 2. Automatically delete converted and translated files from the local folder once you sign out. This is actually a very useful security feature because temporary converted files often remain stored on the system without users even realizing it. 3. Automatically delete files downloaded from the cloud after signing out. So if you open or download files from cloud storage services, SwifDoo PDF can automatically clean them up locally after logout, reducing leftover sensitive data on the machine. Honestly, these are the kinds of privacy-focused features that many users usually ignore until they actually need them. But from a security and data protection perspective, especially in professional or enterprise environments, these controls are genuinely useful. Now let's talk about one of the most important features of any PDF software, and that is PDF editing. With SwifDoo PDF, you can edit PDF files on the go without any hesitation. Whether you want to correct text, update information, modify documents, or make quick changes to reports and forms, the editing experience feels smooth and lightweight. But the part that impressed me the most during testing is its font handling capability. Whenever you edit existing text inside a PDF, SwifDoo PDF intelligently tries to use the same font style, size, and formatting as the original content. Because of that, the edited portion blends naturally with the rest of the document, instead of looking obviously modified or mismatched. And honestly, this is very important, because many PDF editors fail here. They often change the font style completely, making edited text look awkward and unprofessional. Another very important feature integrated into SwifDoo PDF is OCR technology, which stands for Optical Character Recognition. Now, for those who don't know, OCR basically converts images of text, scanned documents, photos, or image-only PDF files into editable and searchable machine-readable text. This feature becomes extremely useful when you receive scanned Office documents, printed reports in PDF format, screenshot-based text documents, old archived files, or non-editable image PDFs. Using OCR in SwifDoo PDF is actually quite simple. First, you need to select the document language, for example, English, so the software can accurately recognize the text inside the document. After that, you can choose the output format, depending on your requirement. You get multiple options, like document with text and images, text with original formatting, or searchable text and images in non-editable format. And here comes the best part that I genuinely liked during testing. You are not limited to converting only a single page. SwifDoo PDF allows you to process the entire PDF document at once, which saves a huge amount of time when dealing with large scanned files or multi-page reports. You also get the flexibility to skip specific parts or pages if required, which is very useful when you only need OCR processing for selected content instead of the complete document. So overall, the OCR implementation feels practical, user-friendly, and productivity-focused, especially for office users, students, documentation teams, and IT professionals handling scanned or archived PDF files regularly. Now let's move to the next major feature, and that is PDF conversion. As I mentioned earlier, SwifDoo PDF comes with multiple built-in conversion tools, which makes it much more than just a basic PDF viewer or editor. You get various conversion options depending on your workflow requirements. For example, you can convert images into PDF, Word documents into PDF, Excel sheets into PDF, PowerPoint presentations into PDF, and other supported file formats into PDF format. And of course, it also works the other way around. You can convert PDF files into Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, image files, text documents, and other editable formats. This becomes extremely useful in real-world situations. The conversion process is also quite straightforward and beginner-friendly. You simply select the conversion type, choose the file, configure the output settings if needed, and start the conversion. What I personally liked is that all these tools are integrated into a single application, so you don't need to install multiple third-party converters separately. That not only saves time, but also reduces dependency on online conversion websites, which is actually better from both a privacy and security perspective when working with sensitive documents. Now let's move to the next major feature, and that is splitting and merging PDF files. This is one of the most practical and commonly used tools, especially if you regularly work with large documentation, reports, ebooks, training material, or course PDFs. With SwifDoo PDF, you can easily split large PDF files into smaller separate documents. For example, as shown here, you can break down a huge PDF into multiple smaller PDF files for easier sharing, storage, or organization. This feature is extremely useful for students, teachers, trainers, and office users. For example, you can split a complete course PDF into topic-wise separate PDFs, extract only required chapters from large ebooks, separate reports section by section, or divide bulky documentation into manageable files. And of course, it also works the other way around. You can merge multiple different PDF files into a single combined document. So if you have separate reports, invoices, notes, forms, or presentations, you can quickly combine everything into one organized PDF file. What I like here is the simplicity of the process. The interface feels beginner-friendly, and you don't need advanced technical knowledge to organize your PDF files efficiently. So overall, this feature adds a lot of convenience and productivity, especially for users handling documentation on a daily basis. Apart from the major features, SwifDoo PDF also includes several additional productivity tools that can be very useful in day-to-day usage. One interesting feature is Read Aloud, where the application can read the document content for you. This can be useful for listening to storybooks, study material, courses, articles, or lengthy documents while multitasking. It can especially help students during learning sessions, users with accessibility needs, professionals reviewing documents, or anyone who prefers audio-based learning. Here is the sample audio for you.
What happened? All your important files, documents, photos, databases, etc. have been encrypted. Einstein using military grade AES 256 encryption. Your files are now inaccessible and cannot be recovered without our decryption service.
You can switch to a different voice, such as English, British, American, etc., although the default voice was Arabic. Another useful feature is built-in text translation. You can translate selected text directly inside the document without needing to copy everything into a separate translation tool, which saves time and improves workflow efficiency. You also get multiple annotation and markup tools, such as highlight text, underline important content, strike through text, add comments or notes, and mark important sections for review. These tools become extremely useful during document analysis, report reviews, studying, or collaborative work. On top of that, SwifDoo PDF also allows you to add digital signatures, insert custom watermarks, protect documents, and personalize PDFs based on your requirements. So overall, instead of acting like a simple PDF viewer, SwifDoo PDF feels more like a complete all-in-one PDF productivity suite with many practical tools integrated into a single lightweight application. And finally, let's talk about the password protection feature. With SwifDoo PDF, you can encrypt and password protect your important PDF files to prevent unauthorized access. This is especially useful for confidential office documents, reports, personal records, and sensitive business files. There are actually many more useful features available inside SwifDoo PDF that I couldn't cover in this video because of time limitations. But overall, during my testing, the software felt lightweight, feature-rich, easy to use, and very practical for daily productivity work. So I would definitely recommend you download it and explore the features yourself according to your workflow requirements. You can find the download link in the description and also in the pinned comment below. And if you want access to all advanced features, then you can go with the Pro version. Personally, I think the 2-year plan offers very good value and feels quite budget-friendly. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to NB InfoTech for more tech and cybersecurity-related content.
If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel NB InfoTech, and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a new video. In the comment, suggest to us more antivirus tests that you want. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.